Hello, how are you today?
I am good, thanks. And you?
I want a pet.
Really? What pet do you like?
I like dogs.
Dogs are friendly.
Yes, they play a lot.
Do you have time for a dog?
I think yes.
That is good. Dogs need time.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I like cats, but I have allergies.
Oh no, that is bad.
Yes, cats make me sneeze.
Maybe take medicine?
I tried, but it did not help.
Maybe get a fish.
Yes, fish are easy.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Hi.
My dog comes from a shelter.
Really?
Yes, I adopted him last year.
That is very kind.
He was scared at first.
Is he happy now?
Yes, very happy.
Have a nice day.
You too. Good evening.
Good evening.
When do you feed your bird?
In the morning and in the evening.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
Do birds drink water?
Yes, they need fresh water.
Good to know.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Hi there.
Hi.
My cat goes to the vet today.
Is she sick?
No, only a check.
Does she like the vet?
Not really.
My dog also hates the vet.
Animals get nervous.
See you later.
See ya. Hello, my friend.
Hello.
My dog hates water.
My dog likes water.
Really?
Yes, he plays in the bath.
That is funny.
After bath, he sleeps a lot.
My dog runs away.
Okay, take care.
You too. Hi.
Hi.
Is it easy to train a puppy?
A little.
What do you teach?
Sit and stay.
How long does it take?
Everyday practice.
I want a smart dog.
Good luck.
Thanks. Hello.
Hello.
Do you like snakes?
No, I'm scared.
Me too. I like soft animals.
Like rabbits.
Yes, rabbits are cute.
I like rabbits too. Goodbye.
Bye. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Do you take your pet on holiday?
Sometimes, yes.
By car?
Yes, by car.
Does your pet like travel?
She sleeps in the car.
That is easy.
Talk later.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Are pets expensive?
A little. Food costs money.
And the vet?
Yes, the vet too.
I must save money.
Yes, pets need care.
I will plan first.
Have a nice day.
You too. Hi.
Hi.
Did you have a pet before?
Yes, when I was a child.
What pet?
A rabbit.
What was the name?
The rabbit's name was Coco.
Cute name.
See you next time.
See you. Hello there.
Hello.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Lola.
Cute name.
Thank you.
How old is she?
She is 3 years old.
Very young.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
My cat sleeps a lot.
My cat runs a lot.
Funny.
Yes, very funny.
My cat is quiet.
Mine is loud.
Every cat is different.
Talk later.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
My bird sings in the morning.
Every morning?
Yes, very early.
Oh no, no sleep.
He wakes me up.
Maybe close the window?
I try, but he is loud.
See ya.
See you. Hi.
Hi.
My fish died last week.
I am sorry.
I miss him.
I understand.
The tank is empty now.
Maybe get a new fish?
Maybe later.
Take care.
Thanks.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I keep a dog in my flat?
Yes, a small dog.
Not a big dog?
Big dogs need space.
My flat is small.
Then get a small dog.
Good idea.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My cat loves toys.
What toy?
A small ball.
That is cute.
She plays every day.
Does she break things?
Sometimes, yes.
Okay. See you soon.
See you.
Hello.
Hello.
I walk my dog every day.
How many times?
2 times.
Good exercise.
Yes, good for me too.
Walking is healthy.
I feel better.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi again.
Hi.
What is the best pet?
It depends.
On what?
Your time and your home.
I want a quiet pet.
Maybe a fish.
Yes, good idea.
Have a good day.
You too. Hello.
Hello.
What food does your dog eat?
Dry food.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
Does he like it?
Yes, he eats a lot.
My dog is picky.
Okay, bye.
Bye.